Everything fell out. That's what I get for trying to show a good view of what I have here. So here it is. It's in this black wrapping paper. So this is like part 2 at this point. So I got these. That way I could get my free shipping. There's a set of 2. I have Juno and Co. little sponges. I never had them before. But these are like not the microfiber ones. These are the Juno Storm Cloud with Cloud Technology, groundbreaking latex-free formula of polymers whipped into an airy mixture that results in a super soft, lightweight makeup sponge in a professional black shade. And this one is in like the light shade. Yeah, and it's supposed to be. This one doesn't say, the black one doesn't say it's like stain resistant, but the light one, the cloud one says it's stain resistant, and it's supposed to be just super soft, basically. We have seamless results every time. I really like the packaging, it's super cute. So that was something I got as a set of 2 so that I could get free shipping. Look at the little stars and like the moons and stuff. I don't really think there are stars on it, never mind. But there are like little rain clouds and lightning bolts and moons, so that's cute. But now for the main thing. Oh, they gave me something for free too. Cool. Melt away the day. This cleansing balm dissolves makeup and impurities on contact and rinses without any residue, leaving skin comfortably clean. Scoop out a generous amount and massage into dry skin. Rinse away with water or wipe away with a damp cloth. Beauty Wish. Oh, that's cute. I didn't know they were going to give me anything for free. I wonder if they always do that. Because this is the first time I ever ordered off of Beauty Wish. But it's the Good Molecules Instant Cleansing Balm. They gave me like a little sample. Oh, that's cute. It's 7 grams, 0.24 ounces. So if you're ever in a pinch, I guess, and you want some, like, way to get your makeup off without buying wipes, that comes in handy. Good news. Alright, now on to the main event now. This is super well packed. Oh my god, this feels so cool. It's like, sorry Shane, sorry Jeffree, I just bought your palette so I could scratch it. Not really though. Oh my god, this is so weird. It's like, whoever thought he would have been into makeup the way he is, though. Holy shit. It's like, dude, I'm so happy for him. I'm so happy he, like, ventured out to do this and is super serious about it. Like, wow. I really wanted the big palette, the conspiracy one, just not the mini controversy, but you get what you can get, you know, so I'm really happy to have this one for now. Well, not for now, forever. Like, even if it's expired, I'll probably still keep it as memorabilia. Wow. Why is, like, no one talking about the way it feels? Like, it feels, like, really cool. Like, the words, the way they're all textured, like, they pop out. I don't know, it's the little things. It's like, I'll use my little cheap elfin wild brushes for this palette. Like, the palette would be worth way more than my brushes. I just don't spend a lot in expensive brushes, you know? I bet there's people going in with their Morphe brushes anyway, so it doesn't really make a difference. Oh my god, it's so... I can't get over it. I'm holding it in my hand right now. Like, I'm looking at what they saw in person. It's so much different when you're holding it yourself. Oh my god. Look at the little things. Their mirror is so good. Look at all the shades. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why do I want to smell it? I want to smell it. Yeah, it doesn't really have a scent. It'd be cool if they like had it scented. I don't want to mess up the pans. I hate that. It's like I love the way the pans look, but over time it's like you know they're not gonna look the same. So it's like, do I want to touch it right now or no? If I really were to swatch one right now, I would really want to swatch Exposed, which is down here, Flat Earth, and probably my boyfriend's purse. Okay, let's go with Flat Earth. And it's so pretty, and it feels so like velvety. I don't even know how to describe that shade. But hopefully you can see it. It's right there. Right there. But it's there, I promise. It's on my finger. Let's go with Exposed, the one that's down here, that like light pinkish. Wow. I was really like intrigued with these colors because of like how like pastel they look. Here they are. Kind of see it on my wrist a little bit. The way the purple is. It looks like I got bruised, but I'm not. It's really pretty. And then I guess I'll do my boyfriend's purse. Use this finger. That, without a doubt, I know you can see that. I'm gonna put it on my lips. And that way, I kind of have my own version of the Shane lipstick going on, even though it's like DIY. With that little lip stain. Dude, my lip color is a little bit lighter from the lip color that is like Shane's lipstick. But I think I just found a way to kind of like replicate it a little bit. Kinda. It's still lighter, but still. It's cool. And then I gotta do blue, so I think I'll do Canceled down here. Oh my god. Well, without a doubt, that shows up. Wow. I'm so happy for them. I'm so proud of them. Oh my god. Where's my little lip gloss? I need my lip gloss. I think it's in my bag though. So yeah, I think that's it. Sorry the video cut off, like when I wanted to show you guys everything and then it fell out of the box. I guess I should have figured that would happen, but I didn't really think about it that much. I think I'm getting messages on Discord right now. Do I have it in my... No, I don't have it in my pocket. I really wanted to wear my little lip gloss I have, not from them, but just like what I have in general. Here it is, my little dose of colors one. It's just like a plain lip gloss, but it feels really good, it smells really good, and it has different glitters in it. So, I really, really like it. But yeah, that's everything, guys. Wow. I feel like this was like a little journey. Oh my god. I'm kind of in a pinch right now when it comes to money. Like, my job hasn't been all that awesome with how often I'm needed and stuff like that. So I've been looking for something like on the side to do with what I'm doing in real life right now. But to splurge on this palette, I definitely don't regret it because it feels really good. The quality is really good. It's something you're always gonna remember that they did, and I'm glad this is like permanent, so you can like always go in and get some of their stuff when it's available again. But yeah, I'm so happy with it. Like, no doubt about it. Even if I didn't know of Jeffree Star or Shane, I feel like I would still probably end up buying it anyway because I would be so happy with the colors. But this is just my little like catching up video, the second part of it. And sorry that I deleted my channel. I won't do it again unless I'm like completely out of love with ASMR and I won't ever do it again. But if I were to feel indifferent or insecure about my channel again, I'll just step away from it and not delete everything because now I gotta start over. But that's it. Thank you if anyone took the time to watch part 1 and part 2 of this. If you want to subscribe, I would really appreciate it. I usually never ask for anyone to subscribe, but only because I'm starting over. And if anyone happens to see me again and recognizes this channel, hey, sorry I left. And I'm gonna go for now. See you later. Bye.